In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive projects in Wrike efficiently. Whether you're wrapping up a project or simply tidying up your workspace, archiving can help maintain a more organized and focused environment. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to navigate to Wrike and either log in with your existing account credentials or sign up if you don't have an account yet. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. This sidebar is crucial as it showcases the different sections of Wrike, including projects and folders. Finding these will be essential to our task. Now, this is where we prepare your workspace for archiving. What you'll want to do is click on the plus icon. This allows you to start a new section within your Wrike workspace. Here, name this new section Archive to clearly identify its purpose. As you're setting it up, make sure to choose Folder, so this new archive section is created as a folder, not as a project itself. Once you've done this, click on Create. This action will provide a designated space to keep all completed or inactive projects, making them easy to find and manage without cluttering your current project view. With your new archive folder created, you're ready to move your projects into it. Simply identify the project you want to archive from your current list. You'll now drag the chosen project to your newly created archive folder. This process is straightforward. It's a simple click and drag action that helps ensure that your project is neatly tucked away. This doesn't just clear your active workspace, it also maintains a complete record of projects that you may want or need to revisit at some point. And that's all there is to it. Through these simple steps, archiving projects in Wrike becomes a seamless task, helping you to maintain a streamlined and efficient workspace. It's one of those tasks that, while small, can make a significant difference in managing multiple projects and collaborations in a tool like Wrike. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your use of Wrike for project management. If you have more questions or need additional guides, feel free to explore more resources or contact support for personalized help. Happy organizing!